Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a gift unboxing for you. I wanted to discuss this holiday season, what is meaningful gift giving to me. And honestly, I think a meaningful gift is something that you can share with someone that they can incorporate in their everyday life. I think gifting something to someone that they are using every day is truly significant, thoughtful, meaningful gift. And I think those are the best kind of gifts. So today I'm unboxing a gift that I received from Nordgreen. And I'd actually like to take the opportunity to thank Nordgreen for partnering with me on this video for me to share with you guys why I think this would be an awesome gift this holiday season. Nordgreen is a watch and accessory brand based out of Denmark. I'm very excited to partner with Nordgreen on this holiday campaign because I believe their accessories are not only practical, but they're also super stylish. And I think that combination is what makes them such an excellent option for a gift idea this holiday season. So I chose one of their best-selling models. This is the Native, and I chose it with the 5-link strap in silver with a black dial, and I got it in the size 36 mm. This watch design is by Jacob Wagner, and it is truly a timeless and versatile design that will be so easy to style whether you're dressing up or dressing down. One of the best parts of this particular design is that it's included in their Giving Back program. So your special gift will not only bring joy to someone in your life, but it will also make a difference. This is one of the many reasons I truly admire this brand. Another reason is sustainability, as Nordgreen's packaging is made of recycled paper and plastic bottles, and I think that is so cool. I definitely recommend you guys check out their gift sets, which are already discounted 20%. But if you use my code Zara, you'll get an additional 15% off your order. And for even more sophisticated gift options, check out their new Guardian line. I will link some of my favorite gift options from their site down below. I definitely encourage you guys to check out their site. I think this is something that's super special and would even make a great gift for yourself. Thank you again, Nordgreen, for partnering with me on today's video, and happy holidays to everyone. Till next time.